Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody. Today guys we will take a look mostly on the Japanese yen, and since markets across the board right now are showing the really fast action, we currently could discuss mostly the tactical issues that appear across the board on different currency pairs. Well, today we will not talk about the euro currency because market, although it has hit the daily 1618 target that we have discussed yesterday, but it hasn't formed nothing else since then, and that's why it's not really necessary to make any update right now on position of our position on the euro currency. That's why we will take a look, the brief look on the Japanese yen. Although here is also mostly the tactical issue, because strategically, as we have discussed in our weekly research, our target stands right here is 106.74, 106.75. But before that, I would like to show you some exotic currency pairs, the euro NOK, so Norwegian krone, because here we have the daily double ripple Y right here, so that is euro NOK currency pair. So we have the thrust down, close above, close below, close above the 3x3, so that is confirmed pattern of the double ripple. I do not call you to trade it, it's just for some information. Maybe this will be interesting for you, because as you know, we do not trade exotic currency pairs. Particularly speaking, we do not prepare the updates and weekly researches for exotic currency pairs. So the trading any pattern on the daily chart needs and demands some preparation and some preliminary analysis of the high time frames. But if somebody of you tracks the monitoring the exotic pairs, maybe this pattern will be useful for you, especially if you're trading Norwegian krones. So maybe this will be interesting. But right now, let's shift back to the Japanese yen. Currently, guys, as you know, the major topic across the Europe is the possible referendum on the independence of the Scotland. And that is really shaking event, as you can see what is really going on with the cable. But what's most interesting is that not only this could really lead to some consequences not only for the United Kingdom but for the whole Europe, because we know that in the Belgium there is a Flanders area, in the also what will be with the Ireland, Northern Ireland, what will be on the Catalonia and in the Spain, and so also this question concerning the Northern Italy. And so that will be really the shaking event if it will really happen. And if we will talk about just for example the flag of the United Kingdom, simple moment, it's but we know that the blue black ground on the United Kingdom flag comes from the Scotland flag, and the white stripes on the United Kingdom flag is also from the Scotland cross. So that's also the question, because in fact the flag of the United Kingdom is the combination of the three crosses, the background and the white stripes, so that's also the question. Well, so we will know what will happen on the 18th of September, but till then probably it's better to forget about the cable. Only if you would like to gambling, you could try to do something on the 18th of September. Because it's really, if this Scotland will say no, that will probably lead to drastic reversal and a huge rally to the upside. So if you would like really shaking events, and you could try to do this, but if you will take about the trading, it's probably it's better to do nothing with cable until this will happen. But right now, let's take a look at the Japanese yen. So on the Japanese yen, we have this big butterfly that we not once have discussed in our weekly research. The target stands at 106.74 and slightly higher than currently market stands. At the same time, market right now has hit the daily overbought. And take a look. You could find here the smaller butterfly. That could be the left wing, okay, of the butterfly, and that could be the right wing. And market right here hits the 1618 extension target. So here maybe some retracement could happen. On the hourly chart, if we will take a look at the hourly chart, we could find here the smaller and another butterfly that also is 1618 and has been completed some hours ago. And if you trade the harmonic patterns, the minimum target that market could reach probably will be somewhere around 105.83. But theoretically, it's possible that market could retest the previously broken tops 105.44. So we take a look at the daily chart. This line, and I'm speaking about this top, this previous top in the daily chart, this has been broken. This market could retest, but currently, guys, to be honest, it's the question whether it will happen right now, as market will retest this here, or it will just show some minor retracement, if it will show at all, and will continue to move higher, hit the major butterfly, and only after that will show the retesting. That's the question. But following the ordinary rules of trading the harmonic patterns, we could suggest that market to respect this butterfly could reach at least the retracement to the 105.83 area. That's pure tactical setup. It looks nice, and currently, guys, really we can't trade the Great British Pound. On the euro currencies, nothing happens. Well, maybe some activity you will find on Australian dollar as well, but the setup on Australian dollar is absolutely not really more impressive as on the Japanese yen. Is also something to trade. Well, on the Japanese yen, in fact, currently I do not see anything else that could be traded. Action to the upside on the daily chart is really fast, so this setup is not for reversal, but just for the minor retracement. That's the scalp trade mostly, and you should not marry for this position. You should not keep it too long, just to grab the nearest target and close the position. That's all that could be done currently on the Japanese yen. Yes, tomorrow we will see what, maybe we will get something else. Maybe on the euro situation will show some progress, and we will get something to trade as well. So, but today I think that on the Japanese yen is the most clear setup among the major currencies.